Welcome to the mountainous country of Georgia. We are on a journey from the capital of Tbilisi on the Georgian Military Highway towards the northern border with Russia. We will be visiting Gudauri and Kazbegi, also known as Stepantsminda. Georgia lies in the Caucasus mountain ranges between Russia, Turkey, Armenia and Azerbaijan. Gudauri is a beautiful mountain valley and winter resort 120 kilometers from the capital. It is kind of amazing that we can get to the top of a snow-capped mountain within 2.5 hours ride from the city. One of the best places to stay at Gudauri is Hotel Monte with all the necessary facilities as well as a perfect view of the mountains. It was the month of May and there was fog around the property and everything looked like we were floating in a dream. Close to Gudauri is the Russia-Georgia Friendship Monument, a significant installation depicting the rich history between these neighbors. The art composition is divided into two equal parts with scenes from Georgia displayed on the left and scenes from Russia depicted on the right. At the center of the design is a mother and child whose cultural background purposely cannot be determined. To Kazbegi, we would go through Gudauri Pass atop snow-capped mountains on both sides. The seemingly endless line of trucks are all going to Russia, as this road is the most significant trade route between these countries. Kazbegi or Stepantsminda is 30 kilometers from Gudauri, which is a 45-minute ride. We stayed at Alpine Lounge, which also offered amazing view of the valley and the towering mountain peak of Kazbegi. Time to explore the sleepy village of Kazbegi. Most of the properties will offer local trips organized by local people, and it is always wise to do it, as most of the people do not speak English. We took a trip to Juta Valley, which was 20 kilometers from Stepantsminda. It is always good to take these rides with experienced and expert local drivers who have done this a million times. A big chunk of snow had blocked our entrance to Juta village. There is a small 1 kilometer trek to reach the valley from this point, and it is mostly uphill. There is a hotel named Fifth Season perched in the middle of the valley, and we can follow its marked path. It is amazing that we didn't feel much cold while walking across this beautiful snow-covered valley. Next stop is Gregory Trinity Church, which sits on a mountain hill overlooking the village of Stepantsminda and under the Mount Kazbegi. This 14th century church is a harmony of architecture and landscape and a symbol for Georgia. ride to Gudauri waterfall was adventurous. While walking around in the town center, we will be approached by a lot of taxi drivers who would be willing to offer these rides. Although they don't speak English, it is always better to go with one of these experts. Time to wrap it up. Oh, by the way, do not miss out on Georgian food, especially kinkali, kachapuri, ojakuri, and of course, the famous Georgian wine, Kinsmaroli.